What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2006 Toyota 4Runner SR5, and I got to tell you I am pretty stoked about this one because we have not had one of these in ages, and it's not because we don't like the cars, it's actually the exact opposite. So the 4Runner is one of those vehicles that we used to get a lot, and over time they have just been increasing in value more and more and more and more and more, and the only way that we could get them is with extremely high miles. So what ended up happening was we would pay almost retail at the auctions, and then when we came to put them for sale, obviously we had to charge even more, and not everybody wants to pay more than Blue Book when it comes to these cars. So it was just a little bit of like a struggle that we had getting them, but we finally got another one. It comes with the alloy rims, great tread on the tires, roof racks at the top, 4Runner badge in the back, and it's got this little latch right there that you can click and it'll open it up for you. Doesn't have too much trunk size if you have that third row, but that's right, it does come with a third row. But you can also take out both seats and it'll give you even more space. On the left hand side over here, you have yourself your jack and wrench. You got a tow hitch right there, and below that your spare, and you also have the rear wiper. SR5 badge, and a beautiful metallic black color, almost like a charcoal color. I wouldn't quite call it black. The key itself comes with the metal key and the fob with an unlock and lock button, plus the little button for the trunk window to open. Let's go ahead and hop inside. If you don't have this in an SUV, you need to get one. They're awesome running boards to help you get in and out of the car, make it so much easier. On the door, you have yourself the power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, and it comes in this tan and black interior, so tan cloth and the black trim. In case you ever needed to access the Obd2 port, it's actually right there. Your hood release is right here, and your hood release is right here, and gas release is right here. The 12-volt port with your cigarette lighter. You have two cup holders that could be made into something bigger to store some extra stuff right there. Center console, which is pretty massive, and it even comes equipped with an auxiliary port, power windows, and power locks for the passenger. Brings a handle for you and every single one of your crew, even the ones back there for when you're being reckless. Sunglasses holder, and your dome lights. Visor with the mirror, so you can make sure you're looking pretty for the day. This is what your cluster looks like. This specific unit comes with 164,000 miles. On the steering wheel, you have your typical Toyota steering wheel, and on the back side you have your cruise settings, so you can set the speed and keep going. All of your weather controls are right here with the little screen to be able to tell what you're putting everything on. You can also lower everything and raise it with that little button. And all of your volume controls are right here. So right behind the steering wheel, we got RSCA off, which actually controls the side airbags. So if you were going like off-roading or anything like that, you can turn them off in case you have like any kind of rollover. But they would still engage, like your side airbags would still engage in some kind of side collision or anything like that. And then the auto LSD is kind of like, it's like triggering on the traction control. So in case it ever finds that you're slipping, it'll actually control the motor to stop it from engaging and allow you to regain traction again. So, all right, so as a passenger, you actually have yourself tons of room. As you can see, this is a seat all the way back with a comfortable setting at the backing, and we have a good, like what, 3 inches right there. I'm 5'10", so you got plenty of room. All right, so over here you have yourself your power windows as the passenger, and you also have these cool little pockets, 2 of them separate, so you can actually store some extra stuff in there. And if you ever needed a cup holder, you actually just bring this down and then you press this part and you have 2 cup holders right there. You also have these right here, which are super useful whenever it's getting a little bit hot. This helps circulate everything between the passengers as well. Now in the back, you have a bottle holder right there and a bottle holder over there. And you also have on the driver door, you have your speaker, and you also have a tweeter right there for the passenger as well, and the speakers on the rear passenger doors. Under the hood, we have ourselves the 4.0 liter V6, the VVTi. This is a very strong motor. It's got about 236 horsepower, so it's not massive, but it gets plenty of horsepower to make you feel extremely comfortable as you're driving the vehicle. It gets roughly about 18 in the city and 22 in the highway as far as fuel economy goes. So it's got pretty good fuel economy for a bigger truck like this that has a 3rd row as well. This was the 2006 Toyota 4Runner SR5. Let us know if you have any questions about the vehicle. As I did mention, this is a great and extremely reliable vehicle for any of you looking for a 3rd row SUV. It's a 6-cylinder. I mean, honestly, as far as reliability goes, Toyota has earned their name, so you're not gonna go wrong with any option like this. Now, any questions about the vehicle at all, please drop a comment below or just give us a call here at 559-444-0123. And any questions at all about our Buy Here, Pay Here program or any other Buy Here, Pay Here program that you might be considering closer to your area, we'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.